in today's class we learn about how to draw something, what are the procedures to draw, and how to actually show how to actually present this one. Now before that, let me tell you the thing which I will be drawing over here, which will be giving you the homework. You have to do in a A4 sheet, and you have to keep yourself, but the thing is that you have to send me a scan copy. You have to send me a scan copy, that the scanning can be done by mobile. So what you will be doing, I'll be giving you a sum. Today I'll be doing few sums, and you have to do that sum. This is not a hard sum that you cannot do. It's not that you will not be able to do. This is not so hard. So you have to, it is very easy. Just everyone is requested to take your pen, pencil, everything to see this one. As well as, let me tell you, this class is being recorded, so don't worry, you will be getting the class recording. I think everyone knows that this is the class recording is going on. You know about the recording, where you can find the recording. Everyone knows that. সবাই জানো class?
Yes, sir.
কোথায় পাওয়া যায়? So you can go over there and you can watch it again, and you can draw it, solve it again. Okay, fine. Let me start. Okay. Don't I shall not get delay because the weather is not suitable. There may be a net power cut. Okay, fine. So before starting, let me write one question. Fine. So we'll be making that question very easily for you people. Is the screen visible to you? Is the screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I shall enlarge my 20. Sorry, 30 centimeter above, above. Is the question visible to you people, or shall I increase the font size? That would be better, that if I increase the font size, visibility is the most important thing. Can you see the screen? Is it visible to you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So try to understand what is given. A point A is 10 centimeter in front of BP and 30 centimeter above. The spelling of the above is wrong. It should be something like this. I'm very sorry. Okay, let me get it. So above HP. So the thing is that you have to imagine what is happening. So let me draw the let me draw this one. So after that we will be drawing. This is the conceptual drawing, just to make understanding. You don't need to draw this in the paper. You can draw this in rough. This is only for your rough work, and what you need to draw in the paper, I'll show you. So next I need a point 1. Okay, let me color the point with black. What is written over there? Can anyone tell me what is written over there? There is written that this point is A. As per the question, this point is A, and A is, if I consider this to be my vertical plane, that is BP. Okay, VP, and this is my horizontal plane, HP. Fine. So as per the question, it is given like this, in this manner, that A is A is 30 centimeter in 10 centimeter in front of VP. That means from this plane to this object, the distance is 10 centimeter. 10. Clear? And it is also been stated that A is 30 centimeter above HP. That means from the center of this point and from HP it is 30 centimeter. Is that clear? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now let us think, as we have thought earlier, as we have done in earlier. If we project a light, from the top, if we project a light from the top, just a sec, let me get the hello. Okay, fine. So if I apply a light, if I give a light, let us consider this yellow to be a light. If I give a light, there will be a shadow over here. That means I will be getting a shadow, a circular shadow. The shadow color let be black. So I will be getting a black shadow over here. Am I wrong or right? Am I wrong or right?
Right, sir.
So
Right, sir.
so now try to
Right, sir.
at how much distance I will be getting over this one, from this point to this point. What will be the distance? What will be the distance?
30.
30.
sir.
How could
30,
be how could that be a 30? Now it has just came down to this one, from this point to this point, this line. What will be the difference? This is BP and
10 centimeters.
projection. What would be the difference? What would be the length between these two? Just observe it.
10 centimeters.
Correct, it will be 10 centimeter. Why? There may be a query why it is a 10 centimeter. Now just try to understand. As I have told you, this point is in front of VP at 10 centimeter. That means if I do a projection, if I give a light and a shadow comes down, don't say shadow right now, because in engineering we don't say shadow, we say projection. Fine. So if I get a projection over here, so see the projection from BP, the distance from BP to the projection is nothing but your 10. Now is that clear? Is that clear to people, you people, or shall I repeat it again? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that means its linear distance or the horizontal distance is 10 centimeter, as you can see. Fine. So it will be 10 centimeter over here. Now similarly, if I apply a light in this manner, that means let me apply a light from this manner, this way. So what I'll be getting? I'll be getting another projection over here. Correct? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
so this will be the projection. Now calculate the height. How much will be the height of the projection from this point? How much will be the height?
30. 30 centimeters.
Correct.
30 centimeters.
Very good, very good, very good. You people are doing good. So this is that I'll be, that is 30 centimeter. So I'll be naming this one. This will be A dash, and this will be my A double dash. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then what else?
Yes, sir.
is it then as you can see, this is a 3D object. Is that is it's a 3D object? It is folded and the angle between HP and VP is 90 degree. Now if I make it flatten, or if I make it in a single page, what will happen? If you just unfold it, it's a folded one. If you unfold it, what will happen? It is folded one. Just you can see it's a folded one. Is it visible to you people? It is just it is just a folded one. Is it visible to you people, or you could understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now if you unfold it, it will show like this. It will show something like this. Okay, so this one, so what will happen? This will be your VP, this will be your VP. Okay, let me draw the HP. HP, this will be your HP. Fine. This will give you one block, this somewhere like that, this way, and just coincident to this place. Okay, everyone will use pen and pencil. I'm not using, I'm just drawing in they don't have to use all the geometric objects. So what I'll do is that I'll give the dimensions. From here to here it will be 30. From here to here it will be 10. Always remember, please put the unit, that will be 10 centimeter. Just don't forget to give the unit any. It is very necessary to give the unit. I have not given the unit, I will be giving over here centimeter. So you have to always give the unit, and also you have to name it, like it's A dash. Finish. It will be A double dash. A double dash. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what we do is that we don't keep it like this. Actually we don't keep it like this. This is the process how you can learn it. For as if for now you have to do this way, but let me tell you, I'm not ended over here. So from this diagram, we can switch to this diagram. We could bring this diagram. Now what we do is that for standardization there is some rules. So the rule is not a hard and fast rule which you have to maintain. So the rule is that we draw in this vertical direction. What we do is that we draw this one, we draw a line. Oh, fine. So after that we write over here VP, fine. And we also write over here HP, fine. Then we draw the same thing here. Again we draw the same old thing. Now let me tell you one thing. This is very necessary for you. Okay, fine. This is very necessary for you, that this point and this point, they will be aligned. That means they will be both at the center. They will be at the the projections will be at the center to center point. So you have to keep these things in your you have to obey these things. In short, to say, this will be your arrow. This will be a 30 centimeter, and similarly you have to give over here is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Is that clear? Is that clear to you people? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, so this is what I need. Let me show you. This is what you need to draw in the paper. This part, this entire part you have to draw in the paper and you have to submit. So what you need will be the way out to draw, and this is that I'll be giving you a link where you have to write your name, your mobile, your roll number, and you have to upload it by making the PDF of that writing. So this is what you need to do. So this is I think there is any confusion. If you have any confusion, just you can ask me right now. You could ask me right now. You could ask me right now. So there will be no issues. Sir, we have not understood. So silly questions are always allowed in my lecture session. So don't worry about it. Sir.
স্যার আমাদের তো শুধু প্রজেকশনটা ড্র
Sir,
করতে
you
হবে, মানে আমাদের প্রজেক্টর কিছু করতে হবে না?
না, তোমাদের এটাও করতে হবে না, আমি একদম কেটে দিচ্ছি তোমাদের, তাহলে এটা কেটে দিলে তোমরা এটা ভালো বুঝতে পারবে। তোমাদের এটাও ড্র করতে হবে না, এটাও ড্র করতে হবে না, জাস্ট তোমরা এইটাকে ড্র করবে। ঠিক আছে, বোঝা গেছে? কেন এখন তোমাদেরকে কেন আগের দুটো কেন করানো হয়েছিল? আগের দুটো করানো এই জন্য হয়েছিল তাকে তোমরা শুরুর থেকে এইভাবে করো, এভাবে তোমরা বুঝতে পারো। বাট তোমরা যখনই এই জিনিসটা এটা কনসেপ্টটা বুঝে যাবে, ইউ ওন্ট নিড দিস থিংস আর নট নেসেসারি ফর ইউ পিপল। যখন তোমরা কনসেপ্টটা বুঝে যাবে। ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে ব্যাপারটা? বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir.
মানে এটা
Yes, sir.
এটা এন্টায়ারলি তোমাদের
Yes, sir.
করছে যে তোমরা যদি এটাকে বুঝে যাও তাহলে তোমাদের এই দুটোর কোনো দরকার নেই। এটা যেমন আমাদের শুধু কোশ্চেনটা লাগবে, আমরা ড্রয়িং করে দিতে পারবো। কথাটা বোঝা গেছে কি বোঝা যায়নি? আমাদের শুধু কোশ্চেনটা লাগবে, আমরা করতে পারবো। এখন বলতে পারো স্যার কি করে করেন? ব্যাপারটা একই, আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করে শিখেছি। আমরা কোনো দিন ফার্স্ট ইয়েতে আমরা করতে পারিনি। ক্লিয়ার? একদম আমি এটা বলবো না যে আমরা খুব ভালো ছিলাম, খুব ছিলাম। আই উইল নট সে দ্যাট। We also have practiced. Everyone has achieved by practice. Even your Shagato sir has also achieved by practice, because by practicing only you can achieve this much of things. So this is not a rocket science. You just need to do a practice. Okay, let me show a next question. So what you will be doing, so the question will be like this. I'll be giving this all things, again the same, but thing is that you people will tell me which is wrong and which is right. Fine. Okay, so let me write one more question. Just a sec, give me a minute. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, let me. Fine. So let me write a question. The question will be, a point B is 2 centimeter, not, I shall not say, okay, 2 centimeter above HP and 35 centimeter in front of VP. Fine. So what is written over here? A point B is 2 centimeter above HP and 35 centimeter in front of BP. Oh, fine. So you have to draw the projection. What will you do? Well, first of all, let us do what we do actually. This one. Fine. This will be a VP, and this will be your HP. Now let us consider a point. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry. Okay, let me draw the point. That may be the point. Okay. Now tell me, above HP, how much is the height of the point? How much is the height of the point?
2 centimeter. 2 centimeter.
2
centimeter.
centimeters. That means from this point to this point, it is 2 centimeter. That is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Next, from BP, how much is the distance? How much is the distance from 35 centimeters? So what does that mean? That it is from this point, the distance is from this point, or this is the height. What does that mean? BP 35 centimeter in front of BP. Which will be the which will be 35 centimeter? Which point will be 35 centimeter?
Yes, sir. This point is 35 centimeter.
হ্যাঁ বলছি কোনটা 35 সেন্টিমিটার হবে? এইখান থেকে 35 সেন্টিমিটার, বিপি থেকে 35 সেন্টিমিটার।
From the black
হ্যাঁ
from the
correct,
black point to the vertical plane,
correct,
it will be 35.
35 centimeter. So what we'll do, this is all about drawing by using a projection. Let us give a light over here. There will be a light. Fine, you will be getting a light. That means there will be a shadow. There will be a shadow at the bottom. Fine, let me give thing. And similarly, if I also give a light from this side, and I'll be getting a light on the other side, on this. Fine, is it clear? Is
Yes, sir.
it clear?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So tell me, what would be the distance from this point to this line, and this point to this line? How much will be this one?
35 centimeters.
35. Very good. 35 centimeter. And from this line to this line, how much will be this one?
2 centimeter.
It will be 2 centimeter. It will be 2 centimeter. Fine. So what we'll do, we'll unfold it. Is it? We'll unfold it. Let us unfold it. We'll be getting, after unfolding, we'll be getting this thing. This line. Again, there will be a partition. This will be a partition. So the partition is nothing but your BP, HP, fine. So there will be 2 points. One over here, another over here. Let us draw this one, this point. So sorry, we didn't give the naming actually. This will be B, and this will be B dash. We have not given the name in the earlier thing also. And this will be also B double dash. So this is what. So what we'll do is that if it's what would be the name of this point? What would be the name of this point? This point. What would be the name of this point? What would be the name?
B dashed.
B
dashed.
Perfect. What would be the name of this point?
B double dash.
B
double dash.
Now, what would be the B double dash distance from this line? From this line, what would be the distance?
2 semi.
2
2 centimeter.
Correct. It would be 2. I'm not writing the 2 centimeter. From this line to this point, what would be the distance?
35 centimeter.
35. Very good. 35 centimeter. I'm writing with my mouse, that's why I'm getting this distorted one. Now what we'll do is that we'll make a diagram like this one. Fine. Let us see. Okay. Fine. This is what the thing looks like. This is BP vertical plane, and this is your horizontal plane HP. Fine. And let us draw a center line which divides them both. So what will happen? There will be a point. Okay. So fine, and so far fine. This will be 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and this will be your 35 centimeter. Now what would be the name? The name will be, it will be B double dash, and this will be B dash. So what you have understood from this point, that you only have to draw this, you only have to draw this thing. You don't need to draw these two things. Now why I'm doing this? To make you understand that this is what going to happen. Is it clear to you people? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now I'll be giving you 3 questions. So what you need to do is that you have to submit me in the next week. I'll be from this topic itself. So you may face difficulties. Don't worry about it. So just let me know. You people try to solve this one. The thing is that I'll give you one more advanced thing, one more advanced question, but you tried. I'll show that. Don't worry about it. But the thing is that you all just give a try. That if you can solve it or not. After that, I'm here to show you in the next class. But the thing is that you have to try from yourself. Fine. So let me give one question to everyone. Give 3 questions actually. 3 questions. Okay. Question 1. Point. And 35. Oh, I'll be not going in this one. From HP. Draw its projection. PROJECTION projection. Okay. Now, first two questions are very easy. Let me tell you. Number three question will be bit tricky, but it is very it is solvable. Just give a try. If you can't solve it, that's not a big deal. You can we'll be discussing in the next class. So, but the thing is that I'll be much more happy if you give a try, because someone can also get the question, can bring the question out of here. So let me give you the question. Fine. So this three will be your homework for tomorrow, for next class. Fine. Let me enlarge it. Everyone is requested to write the question and get the question over here. So you all will be asked to give the answers in a A4 sheet size paper, and we'll be discussing about it. So just collect the question. Have everyone copied the question? Question is copied.
Yes, sir.
Just take a just you take a photo of it, or you may see, you may find in the video when you'll be getting the video again. Will be posted. It will be posted by today itself. So don't worry about it. Now let me give you one more additional thing. The thing is that this is very important topic. You have to take in account. The name of the topic and the last topic of the day is that dimensions and dimension systems. So have Sagoto sir showed you about dimensions and everything? Have you told about dimensions? Have you told about dimensions? Yes or no? Have you told about dimensions, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many types of dimension you can get? How many type of dimension you can get?
So unidirectional.
One is unidirectional, aligned. Aligned. Now, what does unidirection means? What does unidirection means? Unidirection means, if you let me consider one rectangle that would give you the answer. So unidirection means if you are writing a dimension in very short way, it is in very short way. If you are writing a dimension, so in a I'm just giving a short briefing. If you are asked to write a dimension, and you so you have to maintain it entirely fine. So what you need to do, you need to follow a style. The simple word is style. What would be the style? First style is, if I write a dimension over here, that the dimension will be suppose the dimension is 2 centimeter. Fine. I'm writing below the line. Fine. So as well as I'm writing in this manner, in horizontal manner, so I have to maintain this one. even for this one, this line, what I need to do is that I have to write below this line. So what is the below this line? This I have to write 2 centimeter. I have to write to the horizontal, because this horizontal style I have to copy over here. Same goes from here also. I have to write 2 centimeter. This is for our unidirectional dimensional system. Is that clear? Is that clear to you people? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what about the same thing in aligned one? What you can do is that in aligned one you have more relaxations. But let me tell you, you have to follow one thing. You have to follow one style also. The style is that you have to, let me draw the dimension again. Okay, just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. Okay. So what I can do is that if I write 2 centimeter over here, 2 centimeter, fine. So I'm writing below the line, as well as I'll be writing for this one also below the line. But the thing is that the 2 centimeter will be like this. And similarly for here, the 2 centimeter will be like this. 2 centimeter. Is that clear? Is that clear to you people, or shall I repeat it again? Is it clear to you people?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, please.
This is unidirectional and this is your aligned. So you have to follow any one of the dimension system while drawing this one. Second is, do you know the arrow to line ratio? Do you have any idea what should be the arrow to line ratio? Do you know that? Yes or no? Do you know that? Everyone, have Shagota sir taught you about the arrow, or the amount of what should be the ratio you have to keep, the ISO standards of ratio?
3:1.
3:1. Do you know that? Or 1:3 also we can consider. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So you have to maintain this one and you have to submit it. Fine. So I'll not take this class anymore, because Manushi madam is waiting on the other side. So the thing is that she will take the class. In the next class, we will be getting your with your answer script. I'll be showing your answer script to everyone. So don't worry. This is the discussion one. So everyone try to get the answers, because failure, you may fail to do the there is chances. Even we have failed. So I'm telling you, even we have failed to draw sometime to draw. So don't worry. Just feel relaxed to draw the diagram, and you have to upload it by PDF. The link will be given in the group, and you will be finding on you have to submit from there. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, and stay safe.